So we got some tire stickers to install today. I got them from Europe and came in a pack of 8. I'll put the link in the description below. So my first step, yesterday I cleaned the tires with Adam's tire and rubber polish. And now we gotta go with some acetone in the tire top. Probably should be wearing gloves for this. They came with gloves, so. Also, my legs are super sore from the gym yesterday, so a bench could come in handy. Oh. So you think your wheels are clean? Try using acetone. So it's coming off a little cleaner now, so I think it's good. Yeah, you can tell it's cleaner when you see it's matte and not really shiny. Let's get our glue. The tip needs to be cut off. Alright guys, it's been a few days since I installed these. I just wanted to show you how they're holding up. It's been like 35 degrees here the last couple days, so they're definitely baked on. They're pretty good. It said to leave them for 2 hours after you put them on. I left them for a full day because I have another vehicle and I didn't need to drive this, so I left it for a full day and then drove it. I'm sure 2 hours would be suffice. I took a Q-tip and dipped it in acetone and ran it around The edges, I had a little bit of glue that spilt on some of them, so I just rubbed it off. So when I did my first tire, I did it with the decals going horizontal like this, and it was a lot harder than doing it with the tire set vertical like that. The second, third, and fourth I did like this, and it was 10 times easier, less mess, and they went on a hell of a lot easier. So there's a little pro tip for you, for anyone who wants to install these.